Good. Guys, we're gonna eat Chipotle. Finally. Like whole wheat, white rice, and black beans. Barbacoa. Can I also get this? Yeah. Can I do double queso? And I'll get pico, corn. Please. And lettuce. First bite. Good. Chip. Guys, nag-double ako ng sauce kasi sobrang hilig ko talaga sa sauce. It's so good.
Wala, ang dami mong sauce. You don't like?
Tortilla. Not bad. Feeling ko di ko ito mauubos. Good.
Mas masarap pag may lettuce.
Sarap, no? Guys, as much as gusto ko pang kumain para sa inyo, hindi ko na kaya. Comment kayo kung ano pa gusto nyong kainin ko while I'm here.